Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your trunk latch, which is going to be this right here, on a Kia, on a Hyundai Accent. And it's also the same thing for the Kia Rio, Kia Forte, and also the same thing for the Elantra. Alright, so you want to hold this right here and squeeze this to unplug it from the latch. Alright, you also want to come right here by the key. Let's push this back so you can bring this down and get that free also. And also what you want to do is take off these two 10mm. Alright, that 10mm right here. So this right here, you want to squeeze this out so you can take out that ball right there, like that. Pull this out like this. Alright, and this the old one. It's all damaged and stuff, as you can see. It's not closing properly. So now this is the new one. That's the part number right there from the dealer. So now I'm gonna take this off right here. Alright, so you want to get your new one right here. You want to go ahead and put in the iron first, the rod. Run it all the way over. So it's easy, just in it, run it all the way over and up. Alright, and catch your screws back up, 10mm. Alright, so yeah, basically you catch your screws and catch your cable back up. Just reverse the process of putting in the screw. And over here, you want to come here and like that. Plug back your wire. After you plug back your wire, go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, go ahead and close it, and that's it. Now it's closing.